beautiful downtown Marion, Illinois. And I'm going to do a 4-box half case of Bowman's Best and a Prime Cuts. Right there. This is for me, myself, Alex, the Pack Ripper, and Justin, Art V2. We're going to split these, then draft the hits later. So we'll start with, I think we can do 1 box, probably only at one time, but we're going to start with the best, and then 4 boxes of best, we'll do the Prime Cuts last.
Sounds good to me.
Get these little bricks out, package them well in there. I guess we'll do A-Rod first. See what home run numbers we got. Number 423 and 415.
Yay.
Maybe the number 1 pick right there. What'll those go for, about a quarter?
Even less now.
Yeah, that's true. Okay, we have a Griffey Jr. base, Jose Reyes base, a Chris Marrero prospect autograph. That's nice. He's, I know he's one of the better prospects to get in this too. 3 autos per mini box, and 1 veteran, 1 rookie, and 1 prospect per mini. Nice. Troy Tulowitzki, rookie auto. Not bad.
Now, does this also have that signed baseball thing in it?
Yeah.
Oh wait, that's sweet spot.
We had a nice Griffey pulled tonight.
Yes, we did.
Glove auto, yeah. Andre Ethier, there's the veteran auto. 3 autos right. First 3 packs. Should have a couple numbered cards also for mini. Have a gold Eric Young Jr. numbered to 50. The rest is base. Which I think there's only like 33 or 35 base cards in the set. So, if you're needing one, call up Fox Sports Cards. Have a Billy Butler rookie to, what was that to? $7.99, short print.
Old Billy Butler.
Yeah, with the Royals.
We try not to hold that against him.
All right, mini 2.
Mini Pearl.
That was not one open. Which could be good. Let's see. Grady Sizemore, Vernon Wells, Jonathan Papelbon autograph. Not bad. A-Rod 500 home run card. Not bad. And then base. Papelbon. There's the auto we're looking for, but we don't have it yet. Just got to show the Cardinal love. Albert Pujols base. Felix, is it Pie?
It is pie.
PA $7.99. Don't want to aggravate the Cubs fan.
That's right. That's right. You're outnumbered.
Here are the Cubs.
They tend to be unstable.
A-Rod, Andrew Jones, and Jason Place autograph prospect for the Red Sox. Also a decent prospect on up.
He's awful. Yeah, that's not a good card at all to get.
He's horrible. Mark Teixeira, got another prospect, Colton Willems for the Nationals.
He's awful too.
He might be. He's with the Nationals.
Card's not worth anything.
He's gonna be in trouble.
Captain Positive.
Yep.
And then Brandon Wood, rookie card auto. Nice.
Bad pull. It's the Beckett commentary all of a sudden.
Wow,
It's
dude.
not,
You know.
not a Darren McFadden. What was the other one?
Felix Jones, yeah.
So,
Hey, listen.
Yeah, someone had a rough night tonight, huh?
Yeah.
I lost every hit in my pack horse tonight, and you guys are going to sit here and
You
tell
got
me.
Darren McFadden and Felix Jones dual
Makes
auto.
up for
All
it.
right,
Look at
listen,
the stars.
no.
Yeah, it makes up.
We have a Justin Verlander auto. Not bad.
Nice. Good picture right there.
Did you just say something positive?
Thanks.
I think his cards are overpriced and bad for the hobby. Tops and upper deck just ripping people off, man.
Cody Strait, number to 499.
When did we become Beckett?
I don't know. I didn't pull an A-Rod and then a Pujols right behind us, so we're not.
Well, that's true. It would have been a much different box.
Masumi Kuwata
See that?
to 99. I think once is enough.
It's a nice looking card.
These cards are really thick and pretty nice and shiny. How they working for the camera. Ooh, a Hank Conger Angels prospect auto. And then a green Vladimir Guerrero to 249. Hank Conger. Last pack of box 1. And we have a Matt Lindstrom rookie auto. So not a bad start. Box 2 coming up here in a minute.